Attorney for the young man killed by Liberty Hill police is calling for transparency tonight. An officer shot 21-year-old Jackson Lieber last week. The attorney says his family contacted him because they couldn't get any answers. KXAN's Brianna Hollis tells us more about the man killed as she works to learn more from Liberty Hill police.
So many things we don't know.
Robert Ranko represents the family of 21-year-old Jackson Lieber, who a Liberty Hill police officer killed last week on Ranch Road 1869. He believes even if police can't share certain facts with the public at this point in the investigation, law enforcement should have more information to share with the family.
A 21-year-old young man who was valedictorian of his high school class. He's never really been in trouble.
DPS says Lieber got into a crash, wandered onto private property, and got in a fight with the people who live there. Troopers say Lieber then got in a fight with a Liberty Hill officer who responded, but have not said if Lieber had a weapon on him.
It's not known at this time. I do know that there was a small altercation between the officer or some sort of altercation between the officer and the subject.
What could have been the imminent threat that was posed by Jackson that would have justified the use of deadly force against him at that time?
Since the night the shooting happened, we've been asking the Liberty Hill Police Department about body camera video or any similar incidents in the past, but they haven't answered those specific questions.
As well as if there's any policy regarding the release of body camera video.
Travis County DA Jose Garza, who is not involved in this case, pointed to other agencies that have clear protocols for police shootings, like APD, which releases body camera video within 10 business days.
Crucial for the integrity of our criminal justice system that all of us be as transparent as we can be.
Really haven't been given any meaningful information from anybody involved in this situation.
Brianna Hollis, KXAN News.
And the officer who fired the deadly shots is Officer Esteban Gomez Sanchez. He joined the department in December of 2020 and has been placed on administrative leave per department policy. Now, we also reached out to DPS about the shooting, but they say there is no update right now. And we wanted to let you know the Lieber's family attorney works for DC Lawyers, and that firm does advertise here on KXAN.